Not bad, not bad. I'll take that all day. Haven't even polished that up, and I know once you polish it, it's gonna get that much more deep, vibrant red. But I'm really happy with that. Ford RR can be a tough one. This is really good. Tuning up the courtesy car, so I figured why not pull out that Glamour Gloss Clear from Pure Reflections. This is going to be a really good test to see how this holds up over time, because I'll actually be able to get to see what the car looks like every single week. So we're going to splash some of this on. I got 2 fenders, 2 doors, and the bottoms of the rear doors to do, and headlights. I got headlights that I'm going to clear so that they stay nice and shiny and clear. Here's what we got. That's that fender that I put that rust patch in. Forgot to mention I got a quarter. We did some new rockers on it just to get rid of any and all rust. We're gonna blend it and send it everywhere we can. Make sure that this car looks good. This car will, in a sense, represent inline and what we are and who we are. So it's better to have it looking good versus rusty. This might be the clearest clear I've ever seen. Sometimes they can get yellow, have like a yellow tinge to it, but this might be the clearest clear I've ever seen. This is pretty amazing. Luma 3 Exodus with a 1.3 tip to spray the Pure Reflections Glamour Clear. Same gun settings as I would spray solvent-borne base coat, except for I have the pressure turned up like I would spray any other clear. Fresh off the gun, here's one of the blend panels. There you go. Look at that. That shine is unbelievable. Here's the headlights, crystal clear. Here's the quarter. Fenders. The shine on this clear is super good. Look how nice that laid down. This laid down really nice. No word of a lie. The shine on this and the way it laid down. Look at this headlight. Brand new. Really impressive stuff right here, that's for sure. It ain't very many times where I take my Exodus and I abuse it with some primer. Well, that's my second coat down. Still a little transparent. Third one, same very light coat. I also got the heat on it. Kick it over quicker. But before you put on a true medium heavy wet coat, you'll want to get 3 coats like that just to build it up to avoid the wrinkling. It kind of seals that in before you can pound it on. But yeah, using this as a primer gun, it's the nicest primer gun in the world, that's for sure. Yeah, I was gonna go and reach for my primer gun. I see, oh yeah, my adapter's gone. I lent that out to Bob. So he needed an adapter for whatever gun he had. So I was like, screw it, we'll use the 1.5 clear gun as a primer gun. And man, I have used this for primer in the past. It is so good. This poor guy got all 4 of his windows and windshield smashed out by some rocks. It sucks. Look at that. Whoops. But I accidentally slicked this out. First time spraying Ford's RR. This is a perfect job, a little bit of dealership work. Get to play with the color a bit, test things out. I didn't have the right red tint for my clear, but I had stuff from PPG. I don't have the De Beer stuff. So I put that in my clear and it worked out. It was good. I would call it a blendable match. I was comparing, I wish I had the flashlight on, but I'm happy with it. Let's just put it that way. I'm happy with that. Close, but not quite good as the Enviro base I had, but I sprayed that many times. I had it a butt match. This is a easy blendable match. Oh man, not a good start. Leaking right off the hop. Oh god. Now before I get really annoyed at these cups, can somebody explain to me how this works? I read the instructions, I read all of that. It's just not spraying, then it just starts leaking. Like there's too much pressure in the cup and it's finding the path of least resistance. So I don't know. Somebody help me with these cups, because I would love to use them because they are a lot more cost effective than the SATAs. But man, I don't know how to get that to not leak. Oh, there goes the vent. Take two. If I can figure out how to make these paint cups work, we're talking for the comparable size of this 600 milliliter, it's about 50 cents, 60 cents cheaper per cup to use. So imagine you got sealer, base coat, clear, $1.50, you do however many paint jobs a day. That adds up at the end of the day. Now I might be a little dumb, because I think I might have figured it out. It comes with instructions, and I read this. I read them all. I'm like, okay, yep. And I set them down, and then I'm back in my room there, outside in the shop. I'm like, oh, where are those instructions? I should grab them. I won't read them one more time as I slap the lid on. Wa-da-da-da-da. Number 5, attach lid to cup starting at the side nearest the air vent. What I think I didn't do is put it on vent side first. And I think if I do that, I probably wouldn't have it leaking. And I don't think I'm going to run it today, but tomorrow I'm definitely going to run that and see what I get. And if it doesn't leak, I will update everybody on this. But hey, imagine that. The instructions are valuable, and you should read them thoroughly and follow them, and you won't have any problems. So we'll see you tomorrow. I got that Meiji Finer Core HVLP 1.5 tip in. Look at that. This is primer. Like primer, ready to be sanded tomorrow. Look how smooth that is. It's like glass. It literally is like glass. It's pretty sick.